guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm showing you a cute everyday hairstyle I do most of the times. I find this hairstyle very cute and it's easy to do. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so. Comment if you like this hairstyle. And yeah, I'm starting off on stretch hair. My hair is stretched, it's not blow dried, it's stretched from a previous hairstyle I did. So yeah, let's get into the video. Like when my hair is stretched, so I don't have to do a lot to it. I just add leave-in conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner I'm going to use today is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura, or how do you spell it, oil intensive hydration leave-in milk. I'm not gonna read everything, but this is the leave-in conditioner I'm going to use today. I'm going to add a little bit to my hair. This thing is very hard to squeeze out. See what I mean? Oh, just a little bit, and I'm going to add it to my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you in my next video, you guys. Bye. But I wasn't wrong up in my heart. But I wasn't wrong.